Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. You know that the whole world is affected by coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic, and that's why we are going to start online virtual class for the benefit of your lesson. At first, I would like to welcome all of you. This is Muhammad speaking, assistant teacher English, Araishida Kamil Madrasa, Ashiganj, Brahmanbaria. Look at the picture. Can you guess the picture? What is the picture about? Anyone can say? Okay. We can see the picture of a tree. That means someone is planting a tree. Look at the another pictures. In the first picture, we can see that Honorable Prime Minister is planting a tree. And the second picture and the third one are almost the same, planting trees. Then, listeners, what's the topic today? Can you guess the topic? Our today's topic is planting trees or tree plantation. We will take a class today about tree plantation paragraph, and by the end of the lesson you will be able to tell what tree plantation is, understanding vocabulary, describe the importance of tree plantation, tell about the bad effects of cutting down trees, and writing a paragraph on it. Let's check it. We can see the picture of many trees, green, fresh environment. Do you know what is the result of green, fresh environment? We are taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. On the other hand, trees are giving oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. By this way, there is a balance of ecological environment. Trees are the most important element of natural environment. Without trees, you know that without trees, the whole environment is like lifeless, barren, drought, etc. And that's why we should plant trees more and more. If we want to live perfectly, if we want to take fresh air, then we must need planting more and more trees. Otherwise, the whole land will become barren, drought, and the balance of ecological environment will be destroyed. We can see another picture of couple of trees, good, fresh, green environment. This is possible only because of planting more and more trees. So, we cannot think of our existence without tree. In fact, without trees, the whole world become barren, and that's why we have to plant more and more trees. A little child, cute child, is relaxing over a tree, looking so nice environment. we can say that trees are our best friend. We can say from William Wordsworth, a nature lover poet. Wordsworth said, nature never did betray the heart that loved her. He said, you may be cheated by your nearest and dearest ones, but nature never did betray the heart that loved her. He said that nature is the best remedy for us. Nature is the best friend. Nature is the best lover. We may be cheated by our nearest and dearest friends, relatives, but if we love nature, then we will be never cheated. So, we have to plant more and more trees for our benefit. Okay, dear student, can you say why should we plant trees? We need oxygen for our breathing. Without oxygen, the whole area can become barren, drought. If deforestation going on, then our whole world become infertile, and then we will not be able to live perfectly in this world. Not only we, but also animals, beasts, life will be in danger. There will be imbalance everywhere, not only for men, women, but also for animals, beasts, totally for natural environment. The total natural environment will be destroyed totally, and that's why we should plant more and more trees. So, what can we say the most essential or important for us? Obviously, the answer is we should plant more and more trees, and planting more and more trees is most essential or important for us, for our safe life, for our beneficial life, for our ecological balance. You know that today people cutting down trees for many reasons, to make food, to cook fire, for fuel, etc., etc., for quick profit. But this is not right, because if deforestation is going on, our whole world become totally destroyed, and that's why deforestation must be stopped and tree plantation program must be continued thoroughly for the benefit of our natural life, our safe life. Look at this. There is a diagram about the relationship between tree and man. Among, we can better say that there is a relationship among tree, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and man. Look at in the first diagram, tree gives oxygen, which man takes. On the other hand, man releases carbon dioxide, which tree receive. Look at, tree releases oxygen, which is very much important for us. On the other hand, we release carbon dioxide, which is harmful for us, but that harmful element carbon dioxide is taken by trees, and that's why by this way there is a good balance, good ecological balance in the environment. Honestly, trees are receiving carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. On the other hand, we receive oxygen from the tree. By this way, there exists a good ecological balance. So, we should plant more and more trees for our ecological safety. Otherwise, the whole world will become desert. The whole world will become destroyed. Not only this, but also trees save us from many natural calamities like flood, droughts, cyclone, etc. Students, dear viewers, look at another picture. Look at the two pictures. What is the picture about? The pictures are about various kinds of fruits. We can see watermelon, orange, banana, grape, pineapple, apple, etc. etc. All these kinds of delicious fruits we get from trees. Not only oxygen, but also we receive many kinds of delicious foods and fruits from trees. So, how much benefit we can find from trees? Can you imagine? And that's why the importance of tree cannot be described in words. It provides us shade, food, medicine, furniture, etc. Another picture we can find that orange and another kind of food. When we feel thirsty, we feel our thirst with fruits such as orange, grape, etc. So, we must plant more and more trees. Not only it gives us oxygen, but also it gives us food, fruits, etc. Another picture we can find fresh flowers, fresh and lively flowers of environment. Look at, who doesn't love flowers? Everybody loves the fragrance of flowers, the beauty of flowers. Everybody loves flower. Not only tree gives us oxygen, food, fruit, it also gives us flower, fragrance of flower. Our mind becomes fresh, lively, happy when we go to flower or when we go to the garden of flower. It's a medium of beauty, natural beauty, we can say. If our mind is painful and we go to natural flowers or natural flower garden or natural environment of flowers and trees, then our mind becomes fresh, mind becomes fulfilled with freshness, fragrance of the flowers. Another picture, viewers, you are seeing in the screen. What is the picture about? Can you say? We can find the presence of various nice furnitures. Do you know what is the element of this furniture? The main ingredient or element of these furnitures are taken from trees, timber. We also get furniture from very many kinds of trees. So, trees are very much essential for us. Another pictures we see that there are many kinds of medicine trees such as tulsi, thankuni, etc. So we can say that trees are great source of medicine and herbs. We can get remedy of medicine from trees. So in other words, we can say that trees are great source of cure. Another picture, we can see the presence of natural calamities such as cyclone, floods, etc. It protects us from natural calamities such as floods, droughts, cyclone, etc. So we should plant more and more trees. Not only this, but also it ensures the ecological balance of our environment. So if we can ensure the ecological balance of our environment, we should plant more and more trees. So students, can you say what happens if trees are cut down randomly? We can find the picture that cutting down trees, and as a result in the second picture we can see that the desert world. So if we cut down trees randomly, the country will be turned into desert. So deforestation must be stopped for our ecological existence in the world. In other words, we can say that the importance of tree plantation cannot be described in words. What do trees give us? We have talked earlier that trees give us many things such as food, fruit, shelter, timber, medicine, and etc. They save our life by providing oxygen. They cause rainfall and help agriculture. They save us from floods and prevent soil erosion. There is a group work for you. Make each group every table and find out 10 bad effects of deforestation or cutting down trees, and for this you will get 10 minutes. And after answering your individual answer, check the answer with your group partners, and by this you will correct your answers from another ones. Now there is a homework for you, the importance of tree plantation. I hope by this lecture you will be able to write a very good paragraph on the importance of tree plantation. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz, Bangladesh.